Hello, my name is Erin Pierce, and today I'm going to share with you the results of my case study on organizational culture. Any group that we are a part of, whether it is a church group, social group, school group, or group work environment, can share a culture. That is, they share a common identity. An organizational culture, then, is a group within a company that shares things in common. This is a great short video that shows what organizational culture can look like in the workplace. Creating good culture in the workplace is much more than just a ping pong table in the break room. It's about bringing people together that share a common vision, a common goal, something that allows both company and employee to be able to grow, prosper, and to feel good about what they are accomplishing together. The most successful companies see their employees as assets, and often the face of the company that the public sees first. It is this first line group that needs to be on board with the company's mission so that progress can be made and organizational culture can help do just that. Here are 5 key items that contribute to a positive workplace culture. There are a number of companies out there that have taken the idea of organizational culture and fully embraced it. The following slides will highlight 3 companies that have been selected due to their outstanding work in bringing culture to life as a part of who their companies are. They are Patagonia, Zoom, and Microsoft. One of the ways that Patagonia has embraced workplace culture is through families and helping employees achieve a better work-life balance. Their on-site child care program is just one example of how they have shown their employees that they are valued. This allows employees to do their best work while knowing that their families are close by and well taken care of. Let's take a look. Inclusivity and happiness are key parts of the culture at Zoom. With a laid-back, accessible management style, Zoom provides mentors for new employees, paid time off, and puts an emphasis on happiness in the workplace. It's a combination that works. Let's take a look. Microsoft's recipe for organizational culture includes sharing the company's vision with employees and helping them achieve a growth mindset. Harvard Business Review defines a growth mindset as individuals who believe their talents can be developed through hard work, good strategies, and input from others. Microsoft's focus on helping their employees to learn and grow both personally and professionally is part of their culture of success. Let's take a look. As we have seen with Patagonia, Zoom, and Microsoft, studies show that happier employees not only worked faster, but achieved greater success in the workplace. This graph shows the correlation between happiness and effectiveness quite clearly. In conclusion, organizational culture, then, is the idea that employees and companies can work together for their mutual benefit. Respect, empathy, hard work, and creativity are often the hallmarks of such a collaborative effort. However, creating a positive, inclusive workplace culture takes time, effort, and planning. Sticking to your core values, listening to your employees, striving to be empathetic, and then throw in a little humor and fun. It's a winning mix for all involved that's worth striving for. Thank you.